Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage game files in PUBG Mobile. Understanding these files is key to optimizing your game's performance and resolving common issues you might encounter. It's super important to always use official game versions to ensure both security and fair play for everyone. Please avoid any third-party tools or modified files, as these can lead to serious problems, including permanent account bans. We'll focus on legitimate ways to keep your game running smoothly. Let's dive into understanding the game's data files. PUBG Mobile relies on various files to store all its game data and resources. For instance, the OBB file is quite important, as it contains core game assets such as maps, character models, and textures. Then we have cache files, which store temporary data to help with faster loading times and smoother gameplay. All these files are absolutely crucial for the game to function properly and give you the best experience. If you're experiencing some issues, file management can be a great troubleshooting tool. Clearing the game's cache, for example, can often resolve minor glitches and improve overall performance. For more persistent problems, reinstalling the game entirely can fix corrupted files or major errors. Always make sure you have sufficient storage space available for game updates and new data. And if you're planning a full reinstallation, consider backing up any important game data beforehand. Finally, let's talk about security and fair play, which are incredibly important. Always download PUBG Mobile only from official app stores or trusted websites to ensure you're getting the legitimate version. Using modified game files or any third-party applications is strictly prohibited and goes against the game's terms of service. Engaging in unauthorized file usage can unfortunately lead to a permanent account suspension. So, always keep your game updated to the latest official version for the best and safest experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.